Most men spend their lives thinking they need to impress women with money, looks, or charm. They chase after the idea that wealth or smooth talk will win a woman's heart. But here's the real truth. Attraction isn't logical, it's psychological. There are hidden emotional triggers that make women obsess over certain men without even realizing why. These aren't tricks or mind games. They're deeply ingrained psychological patterns that, once understood, will completely change how women perceive you. And the best part? These triggers work no matter your age, income, or looks. If you've ever wondered why some men effortlessly capture a woman's attention, while others struggle to keep her interested, keep watching, because I'm about to reveal 7 psychological triggers that will make women crave you like never before. Let's dive in. Number 1. Women want what they can't have. Ever noticed how people go crazy over limited edition sneakers, rare collector's items, or exclusive VIP experiences? It's not always about the product itself. It's about scarcity. Women operate on the same principle. They are drawn to what they can't completely have. If a man is too available, too eager, or constantly seeking her attention, he loses value. She may appreciate the attention, but she won't crave it. Think about the last time you wanted something badly. Was it because it was always there? Or because it felt just out of reach? Men who create a sense of mystery and distance trigger something primal in women. The need to close the gap. Want to use this to your advantage? Stop being overly available. Make her wonder when she'll see you next. Don't always answer texts immediately. Keep your life full and exciting without her at the center of it. The moment a woman feels like she's completely won you, her interest starts to fade. Number 2. Women crave emotional certainty. Women are emotional, but that doesn't mean they're irrational. In fact, emotions drive most of their decisions, especially when it comes to relationships. One of the biggest psychological triggers for attraction? Emotional certainty. A woman wants a man she can rely on, not just financially, but emotionally. She needs to know that when life gets messy, he won't crumble under pressure. Here's what kills attraction instantly. A man who panics over small problems, a man who complains about life without taking action, a man who seeks her reassurance instead of offering his own. The moment a woman feels like she has to stabilize you, the roles reverse. She becomes the strong one and you become fragile. And that destroys attraction. The most irresistible men stay calm under pressure. They handle problems with quiet confidence. They provide a sense of security that makes a woman feel safe, whether she realizes it or not. And when she feels safe with you emotionally, she won't want to let you go. Number 3. Deep voice, strong presence. Want to instantly boost your attractiveness without changing your looks, money, or status? Master these 2 things. Your voice, your presence. Studies show that men with deeper voices are perceived as more dominant, confident, and attractive. Why? Because deep voices subconsciously signal high testosterone and leadership qualities. But attraction isn't just about your voice. It's about how you carry yourself. A man with strong presence moves with purpose, never fidgeting, never rushing, maintains steady eye contact without looking away nervously, speaks slowly and deliberately as if every word matters. On the other hand, slouched posture, nervous gestures, or uncertain speech signals low confidence. And even if you're unaware of it, women instinctively pick up on it. If you want to captivate women effortlessly, master your presence first. It's one of the simplest but most powerful ways to stand out. Number 4. Women fear losing you. One of the strongest human emotions? Loss aversion. People don't just desire things, they fear losing them. And when it comes to attraction, this is a game changer. Most men, when they sense a woman pulling away, panic. They chase, they over-explain, they try to fix things. Big mistake. A man who can walk away without hesitation communicates ultimate confidence. He's saying without words, I am not desperate for you. I have options. My self-worth is not dependent on your validation. And that mindset drives women crazy. When a woman feels like she could lose you, her emotional instincts kick in. She starts valuing you more. So next time she pulls away, instead of chasing, pull back too. Give her the space to realize your worth. Number 5. A man with a mission is unstoppable. A woman's biggest weakness isn't a man's looks, money, or charm. It's his purpose. Women are instinctively drawn to men who have a mission beyond them. A man who is building something, whether it's a business, a skill, or a passion, automatically becomes magnetic. Why? Because purpose creates focus, discipline, and independence. Qualities that women can't resist. The mistake most men make? Making a woman their mission. Ironically, prioritizing her above everything else kills attraction. Women don't want to be the center of your world. They want to be part of something bigger. So focus on your goals. Build a life so fulfilling that she wants to be a part of it. Number 6. The power of selective vulnerability. Vulnerability is often misunderstood. Many men believe that showing emotions will make them appear weak, while others think being completely closed off makes them strong. The truth: women are drawn to men who master controlled vulnerability. Too much vulnerability, where you constantly seek validation, share every insecurity, or lean on her for emotional support, will make you seem needy. Women don't want a man they have to emotionally carry. On the other hand, if you never open up, she'll see you as cold, detached, and emotionally unavailable. The secret is to be selectively vulnerable. This means sharing your emotions from a place of strength, not neediness. Talk about your struggles only after you've overcome them. Share personal stories, but in a way that shows resilience and growth. Let her feel special when you open up, but don't make it a habit of dumping your problems on her. A man's emotions should be like an ocean. Visible, powerful, but never overwhelming. When you balance strength with depth, you create an emotional connection that pulls her in without pushing her away. Women respect men who are emotionally strong yet willing to share their inner world in a controlled way. Number 7. The obsession with unpredictability. Ever noticed how women obsess over men who keep them guessing? Predictability is comforting, but it's also boring. If she always knows what you'll say, do, or feel, the mystery is gone. And with it, much of her excitement. Women are naturally drawn to a sense of anticipation. It's not about playing games or being unavailable. It's about adding unpredictability to your interactions. Here's how to do it. Don't always be the first to text or call. Let her wonder what you're up to. Surprise her with unexpected plans or thoughtful gestures. Keep things exciting. Keep some aspects of your life private. Let her slowly discover more about you over time. This isn't about manipulation. It's about maintaining excitement in the relationship. The moment she feels like she has you completely figured out, the emotional thrill fades. A man who keeps a woman intrigued doesn't need to be rich, famous, or ridiculously good-looking. He simply needs to understand the power of unpredictability. When she never quite knows what's next, she stays emotionally invested, and that's how real attraction lasts. Understanding these 7 psychological triggers isn't about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about recognizing human nature, how attraction really works. Most men will never understand these triggers. They'll keep trying to impress women with money, gifts, or desperate gestures, but now you know better. If you found these insights valuable, don't keep them to yourself. Share them with a friend who needs to hear this. And if you want more powerful content on attraction, relationships, and psychology, hit that subscribe button now. Until next time, stay confident, stay focused, and never stop leveling up.